it's everywhere, and then in some cases you got all four of these pathogens present, in that same sample or on the same root or same rhizome. That has to be troubling, and then as you said, something happens to where you get this infection, and then it seems like there's this latency period or delay of when you actually see the symptoms. And we think or you guys think it's plant stress related, that it's getting colder, the days are getting shorter, and then all of a sudden it gets flipped, and then we start seeing those symptoms.
Yeah, that weakened turf. Yep.
Yep. So that would make it challenging as a superintendent to chase this down from a curative perspective, as far as, so I got these symptoms, and let's just pretend it's, say, mid-September, October, you got these symptoms, that this would be very hard to chase down from a curative perspective, because you're going to need the plant to grow out of all of those symptoms during a time when the plant may not be growing that fast to begin with.
Absolutely. And, we see that with mini ring as well. And so it's just like with spring dead spot, you have to kind of map those areas. If it's the entire green or areas within that green, and know where those affected areas are. And then that next growing season, you have to be on top of it, and stay in tune with the soil temperatures, and get your fungicides out according to those soil temperatures. And that's another thing Cameron Stevens did a great job on, and I know Jim Kearns is continuing to do management using timing and relating it to soil temperatures. So, I think there's good news coming, and he's identified fungicides that really help reduce that disease symptom expression. So I think there's hope for it, and just be on the lookout for that. I did more of the biology of the fungi and not as much of the management with fungicides.
Yep.
In our work, so.